Alright guys, make a little video here. I got my 85 Corvette out. Took it down the road, drove it a little bit. I just want to go over a few things that I do when I do storage. Is like all your aluminum here, guys. This car been sitting since 2008, and what I like to do is to help keep your aluminum so it's a little easier to clean when you do get them ready to take them back out, guys. Put you a coat of wax on all your aluminum parts, and there's the inside of it. It's pretty nice yet, pretty nice Corvette yet. And also, guys, do your chrome, anything you got chrome, go ahead and put you a coat of wax on that. And like my A-arms down there, those are polished aluminum. Went ahead and coated all that with a coat of wax. Anything that's polished or chrome, guys, just go ahead and put you a coat of wax on there, and that way when you do get ready to get your vehicle back out in the summer, it's a whole lot easier cleaning that aluminum and that chrome. It'll help keep your chrome from rusting too, guys. I do all my aluminum wheels and everything like that, guys. So this Corvette here, we got to get a new paint job on it in the process of whenever I get time to get this one back out on the road. This is my 85 here, and I started taking some of the lights out of it and stuff to get it ready. Of course, I did this, I don't know, probably about 10 years ago, and it's just been sitting in the building since. And I still got to do this here window tint, take this window tint off and get the windows probably re-tinted, because that window tint probably been on there for 20 some years, and it just started getting bad on me, and it's got some bad spots. And then I got a rear wing that goes on the back of this, just like I do on the 89 Corvette there, guys. And it's also got polished stainless steel exhaust on it with the mufflers. I'm gonna have to paint them yet. Those are Flowmaster mufflers on there, but it's there's no catalytic converters on it. I took the catalytic converter. It's only 85, only got one catalytic converter. I took it out, and or maybe it's still in there, I can't remember. It might be still in there, but it's hollowed out. If it's still in there, makes them run a whole lot better, makes them run a little cooler if you don't live in an area that has emissions testing. So anyways, guys, I thought I'd throw that video out there for you. That way, you know, it makes it a whole lot simpler to clean your aluminum on those when you do get ready to get them out. Like I said, this one here been the wax been on there since about 2008, and I just went ahead and went over the wheels again with a fresh coat of wax. That way, whenever I do get this thing back out, it's going to be a whole lot easier cleaning the aluminum on them, because that wax just helps protect it, especially if you don't have it in a climate controlled building, and also if you've been storing it for a very long time. It's a good idea to do that. So that, guys, that'll wrap this video up on how to keep your aluminum and your chrome in tip-top condition when you do get ready to get it back out for the summertime cruising.